Hey there, we're back this time talking about Coreopsis, a perennial in the same family as sunflowers and daisies. Often known as tickseed, Coreopsis is super easygoing, very adaptable, long blooming, and supports bees, butterflies, and birds. This flower makes a cheerful, bright addition to your garden. So let's take a look at Coreopsis. Whether you're starting from seeds or plants, consider your location. Coreopsis loves well-drained soil where it gets a minimum of 6 hours of direct sunlight. In fact, Coreopsis thrives in poor sandy or rocky soils and is drought tolerant once it's established. Come June, this is when the show starts. With about 80 species native to the Americas, you'll enjoy an eye full of blooms in colors ranging from yellows, reds, and pinks. But it's not all eye candy. Coreopsis is a beloved food source for a variety of bees and butterflies. Those pollinators will love visiting your garden. Something else to consider is pairing your Coreopsis with other sun-loving, drought-tolerant plants with blooms in contrasting colors. In the fall, let your Coreopsis go to seed and watch the birds enjoy the banquet. For your reference, here are your Coreopsis plant-a-glance details. And there you go. Put some sunshine in your garden with this low-maintenance, high-impact perennial. Visit your friends at Reston Farm Garden Market for all of your gardening needs. And happy gardening!